Hi guys, I want to show you how to install Windows 11 on any unsupported Windows. Probably you have Windows 10 on unsupported. If it says Windows 11 is not supported, so I actually downloaded the ISO, the Windows 11 ISO right here. The language that I selected is English. Yeah, if you do not know how to download this, I can show you how to do that, right? So you just have to extract it. So you can extract it. So I did extract it until extract it to the same. So this is the extracted version. So you open this, and from there you let me delete this and show you how you should do it. Okay. Now you open new and you open it with text document, right? And from text document you want to save it as setup, right? It's save as setup. So over here you want to name it as setup space forward slash product space server, right? And you want to save it as setup but as bat file. Save, right? And close it. So now I need to open the bat file. Let's check this. Nothing should be here. Yeah, this is. So you just click open setup as the bat file. It's gonna start. Click. The window is gonna open. You click yes, and it's gonna start. This. It's official. You can. There is no problem installing this on your computer. So it's preparing right now. I found out this is actually one of the easiest way to do it. So for now, I'll just uncheck this. I go to E, not right now. I don't want it to, I will update it later on. I just want to install Windows 11 on this computer. And by the way, Windows 11, it's not supported on my computer. So let's see, it's checking the PC. So next thing you click accept. It says choose what's to keep. I want to keep everything. Everything. So next. Now it's gonna install and everything will be good. So if you find this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. This is actually pretty much it. It's gonna wait. It's gonna take a while, but just follow it promptly. Thank you guys. Bye bye.